2019 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.